Hello everyone, Ella here from Zeek. This week's video is about making 100 pounds a day selling on eBay UK. And because it is really important for us to deliver you content based on real experience, I'm going straight to the source, to the person with the most experience and the best source out there for tips on selling on eBay UK. And that source is no other than the champ himself, Sarwar Uddin from the Financial Freedom Network. So let's go ahead and give him a call. Hello, Sarwar. It's good to see you again. How are you?
I'm great, thanks. How are you, Ella?
Good. I'm calling because this week our video covers the topic of selling on eBay UK and potentially making 100 pounds a day. And I thought I'd come to you for some tips that you could share with us because I feel like you're the best and most experienced with selling on eBay UK.
£100 a day, piece of cake, no problem. I'll send some tips across to you and hopefully they'll be helpful to your viewers, Ella.
Perfect. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to it.
No problem. Take care. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye-bye. All right, guys, so coming to you straight from the source are 3 tips that could have you making 100 pounds a day selling on eBay UK. Before we jump into it, please consider subscribing to our channel. We put out content that has been proven to be effective when it comes to making money online. Also, to stay informed on a daily basis and to avoid mistakes in your business, hit the notification bell. This helps you get all of the best videos as soon as they are released. So let's go ahead and begin. Tip number 1, given by our friend Sarwar Uddin. When it comes to the people who are selling on the eBay UK market using UK suppliers, avoid what US sellers are doing. Reason being is that the US is a huge market, and it's huge because you have people from the US selling to the US market, people from the UK selling to the US market, people from all over the world selling to the US market. For that reason, there is a huge amount of products on eBay. So there is more potential for people to snipe, as Sarwar would say, your products, meaning people can copy your listings. The UK is a huge market as well, and there is a lot of potential to be made, but there are not as many people selling on the UK market. So it's not as easy to snipe products or to find other sellers. So the best way to go about this is finding smaller retailers to use, like Furniture 123, as Sarwar has suggested, or Smith's Toys, and so on. Once you have these products, then list generic type of items that are not linked to any specific brands, such as furniture, lighting. Household goods do really well. Then get them listed on eBay and put up anywhere between a 20 to 40% markup, and of course optimize the title, which you can do easily using the Zeek title builder. Tip number 2 is using a website called Complete Savings. People really don't know about this, but there is this website called Complete Savings. And the thing about it, though, is that not everyone can just go and register to Complete Savings. It is specifically for people in the UK. And the way to register to Complete Savings is you can go onto eBay, make a purchase for anything that costs £1 or more. And when you're checking out and once you pay for the item, it's going to give you the option to register to Complete Savings. It should appear as a pop-up where it offers you 15% cash back. Go ahead and register to this website called Complete Savings. So again, not everyone or anyone can just join. It's only available this way. Now, the benefit of this is that this website has thousands of retailers, and every single one of these retailers gives you 10% cash back. So there's 10% cash back available from thousands of retailers. So this is a really good way of maximizing your profit. Now, the third way to make a really good dropshipping business is to actually mix your eBay business with physical products. And the way to do that is again using the website called Complete Savings. Complete Savings has a voucher section, so you can go on to the vouchers and you can see what kind of voucher deals are offered, such as 10% on all headphone orders over 150 pounds. You can save 10%. On top of that, you get the 10% cash back. So you can really double dip when you buy these products. Then you may also list physical products like this for eBay dropshipping. This way you're going to be mixing your eBay dropshipping as well as physical products. In turn, you will be maximizing your profit. So, tip number 1, don't do what the guys in the US do. Tip number 2, join Complete Savings and get 10% cash back on all your orders. Tip number 3, maximize this website called Complete Savings by purchasing some products and mixing them with your eBay dropshipping business. And this is how someone could potentially make a profit of 100 pounds a day from the eBay dropshipping business, solely focusing on the UK market. If you want any other tips when it comes to selling on eBay UK, go to this link to follow Mr. Sarwar Uddin himself on his channel called the Freedom Financial Network. He has amazing content and it's super easy to follow. If you need any more advice or any more clarification on what we have covered in this video, please leave your comments down below. Have a good one, guys. I'll see you next time.